what you're doing is essentially outsourcing your body knowledge, and it looks like this. You come to the table and ask a question: what do I need to do to lose weight? Give me the formula. Give me the steps. Exactly. I need the exact steps on a daily basis, and then I'm going to be a good robot and follow those, and then I'm going to have the desired result. Well, the problem with that is that one, as we covered, those steps are probably deprivation based. So I don't know how long they're going to last. You might have more stick to itiveness than I do. I like to tell people that the longest I ever lasted on one of those diets was 4 days. 4 days. So I wasn't even long enough to like lose any weight, really, Um, I just I couldn't make it work. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But when you go to this idea of having a formula that is given to you, you're outsourcing. What you don't realize is that you're outsourcing all kinds of really important things. Being in tune with your body, being in tune with your emotions, being in tune with your hunger, using your hunger to help you manage good nourishment practices. What you actually need are methods to tune into yourself instead of constantly, you think of it this way, is like you're showing up on the doorstep of people and being like, what do I have to do? Just tell me what I have to do. Just tell me what I have to do. But what that ends up doing is causing more chaos and more confusion. What you need is a guide back to yourself, back to you, your essential self, so that you can listen to yourself, so that you can listen to your body, so you can see and experiment with how different practices end up working for you, whether you like them, that's important. And if they produce the desired result that you're looking for. So that's a very different thing. So if you're thinking like, if you just give me a formula, what you're doing is cutting off really important information that you need in order to talk to yourself.